My question is to the Deputy Prime Minister and Minister for Infrastructure, Transport and Regional Development. Will the Deputy Prime Minister please inform the House how the Morrison-McCormack government is rolling out the COVID-19 vaccine in regional areas and the logistical effort involved in the distribution across Australia?
The Deputy Prime Minister.
Thank you, Mr Speaker. I thank the member for Cowper for his question. From the earth to the moon. Those members opposite are probably wondering what announcement I'm about to make. Prime Minister is probably too, for that matter, but stay tuned. Stay tuned. Listen up. The COVID-19 vaccine program began on Monday. We all know that. The rollout of the vaccine is one of the largest logistical exercises undertaken in this nation's history. There are 134 vaccination sites around Australia, and nearly 44% of those are in regional Australia. In conjunction with the states and territories, their health services, we expect there to be more than 1,000 vaccine sites across the country. The initial doses of the vaccine will be available to aged care and disability care residents and workers, frontline healthcare workers, quarantine and border workers. The people eligible for the first round of vaccines who live in regional Australia will not be disadvantaged by their postcode, and nor should they be. Everyone who gets the vaccine will be able to get it close to where they live. Now, in the member for Cowper's electorate, the Garden Village nursing home residents and workers in Port Macquarie will begin receiving their vaccine in week 1. The CEO of Garden Village, Craig Wern, said residents who call Garden Village home are looking forward to the Pfizer vaccine being rolled out at the facility from Saturday. 100-year-old resident Grace Simons describing her decision to have the vaccine. She said it's a way of helping to fight back. Good on you, Grace. The government is also working with both DHL and Linfox to ensure cold chain storage and supply to all Australians, including rural and remote locations. Saul Resnick. Now, I've mentioned him before. He is the CEO of DHL Supply Chain. He said they have completed. I know you're all waiting for this. I know you're all waiting with bated breath. Listen up. 341 delivery consignments of vaccines so far, and the vaccines have travelled 397,782 kilometres around Australia to get to their destinations. That is further than from the moon to the earth. 3 cheers for that. These deliveries by road and by air freight have delivered 49,655 doses of vaccine intact and within specification. Well done to DHL, well done to those frontline medical personnel, and I say well done to our truckies. They have done a magnificent job right throughout COVID to get the deliveries, whether it's now the vaccine, whether it's those supplies to supermarkets, whether it's face masks, respiratory devices. They've done it. I say, on behalf of the parliament, thank you, well done, truckies.